Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi A1 Plus and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll to find the lock screen. As you can see, on the very first position we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it, and here we can decide which option we want to set. We've got 15 or 30 seconds, which are quite short options to choose from, or 1 to 10 minutes, or we can even set never, which simply means that your device will never get out. Blackout, sorry. So currently we've got the 1 minute option applied. This option is marked, so all we have to do in order to change it is to simply tap on the option we would like to use. So I will pick 10 minutes, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 10 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. So actually that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Redmi A1 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.